Hi guys, it's Maggie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a Boxyluxe unboxing. So in order to get your Boxyluxe, you have to be a BoxyCharm subscriber. You pay your regular $25 a month to get your BoxyCharm, and when Boxyluxe come, it is an additional $24.99. So overall, you're paying $49.99 every 3 months. So that's a total of 4 times a year you get your Boxyluxe box for $49.99, and the total value in that box will be over $300. So yeah, I'm going to get started. Please subscribe if you're not already, and let's get started. So this is my Boxyluxe box. It is a lot bigger than the regular BoxyCharm that I get every month. This one is pretty big. So when I open the box, this is what I see. Okay, so the first thing I see in the box is obviously the little paper. The theme for this month is whimsy, and in the back obviously it tells you everything that I got in the box, what they do, and their prices. And at the end, I'm going to add everything up and see how much the total value of the box is. So the first thing I'm going to grab is this right here. It is a daily hair wrap towel for a quick dry smoothing experience. This is one of those towels that helps your hair dry really quickly, and it is anti-frizz or whatever. So this is how it looks like. I guess you put it on your head, and then you kind of twist this part, and then you tie it backwards, and then you put it in the button. It is this very soft material. It feels like a towel. It says it reduces frizz and maintain healthier hair. It also cuts the time of blow drying and heat exposure, and it also reduces the risk of split ends and excessive damage. It's one of those things I would never buy, but once I got it, I'm super happy I have it. So this is the next item. It is by the brand Cosmetics. Ooh. It's one of those things you roll on your face. It's supposed to be good for circulation. Oh, and it's also for the body. It says face and body massage beauty roller. I thought it was just for the face, but it's also for the body. I actually have always wanted to try something like that. I was going to buy the ones that has the crystals, the one that looks like this. I'm going to put it right here. But this one is fine. It is supposed to improve the visibility of fine lines, enhance skin texture, and uplift fatigued skin. So you're supposed to like roll it all over your face and like your body. But yeah, it is definitely going to be in my skincare routine. Okay, so the next thing I got is by the brand Ciate London. It is called the Marbled Light Illuminating Blusher. The packaging is super nice. This blush is in the shade Burnt. This is the packaging. So it says that it adds a radiant blush of color to your complexion with Marbled Light Illuminating Blush, formulated without talc. Using a illuminating blush can be nice because it gives you that pop of color with a little bit of luminosity. Okay, so the next product is by the brand In Beauty. It is a Power Up Dual Phase Setting Mist. It helps to set makeup, energize, and revive skin. Filters away dull, tired, and stressed out complexion. I don't know if you can see, but it has some oil inside. So I don't know if I can use it because I'm oily, and I don't want anything that has oil inside on my face. You see that there's the oil and there's the rest of the spray. It smells really good. Okay, so it says it helps with redness, blotchiness, hyperpigmentation, dark spots, and dullness. So it did dry matte on my skin. So that's good because I don't want anything that's going to make me oilier. So I will give this a try. Ooh, this is by Too Faced. It is their High Shine Sparkling Lip Gloss. It's in the shade Pretty Penny. Let's see how it looks. It looks super pretty. I love the packaging. Too Faced has the prettiest packagings, and the color is super nice. It says sparkle and shine with each twinkling shade of this high shine gloss that brings dimension to lips with an innovative, cushiony, and comfortable texture, enriched with natural oils. I'm going to try it on. But yeah, it is super nice. I love it. Okay, so the next product I'm really excited about because I was actually going to buy it, and then I saw it inside my Boxyluxe and I was super excited. It is the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. I've heard a lot of great things and I read a lot of good reviews about this cleanser. I actually wanted to try a new cleanser because I was out of my cleanser. So I'm really happy that it was in here. Oh, it does say it has a cult following for the way it removes makeup, even mascara, without drying for soft, supple skin. It's made with amino acid rich soy proteins, calming cucumber extract, and balancing rose water, and it also soothes and tones. Okay, so the next product is by Saturday Skin. It is their Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. I did choose this. You have the option to customize your box, and I chose this. Face creams can be really expensive, especially when it's not from the drugstore. So I really like that they ask you to customize and choose what you want. In this case, I got a cream for my face. So it is an anti-aging glacier water cream that delivers mineral-rich moisture while protecting the skin from free radicals. So yeah, I am really excited that I got this cream. So this is the second to last product. It is by Kat Von D. It is the Dagger Tattoo Liner. It is a waterproof liquid eyeliner. It looks like so. Maybe this is a new one because I also have a waterproof eyeliner by Kat Von D. Yeah, this is the one I got, which is a lot more pointy. And the one I got in the box is a little bit more slanted. And I guess it's supposed to make it a little bit easier to do your eyeliner because the tip is angled. So this is the last thing in the box. It is super beautiful. It's a palette. These are the colors, very beautiful. The packaging is like a book. Okay, it's called Storybook Cosmetics Fairy Tale Little Briar Rose Palette. It is a custom hardcover storybook with a dozen highly pigmented matte, metallic, and pearl eyeshadows. But yeah, I really love the packaging. I really love the concept. It is super beautiful. It has a mirror. So I can definitely tell that a lot of thought went into creating this palette. It is super beautiful and the packaging is amazing. But yeah, this is actually the last item. I am going to add everything up and see the exact value of my Boxyluxe box. Okay, so the total value is $328. Okay, so I honestly don't know how they do it, but it is great. You're investing about $50 for a subscription and you get over $300 worth of products, and they never fail because you get so many great things in your box. You get to try so many things, you get to try so many brands, and I am definitely going to keep on doing these. So subscribe to my channel in order to see all my BoxyCharm and Boxyluxe unboxings. This is the end of the video and I'll see you guys back on my next video. Bye.